Happy Monday. Okay, so today's going to take a little bit longer, guys, but my remote learners, you just had a little bit of free time last week, so hopefully you're ready to put in some work and finish this year strong. We are getting ready to start our first novel. It's called The Giver. So if you guys came in for in-person testing, you should have received a copy of the book from either Miss Waltese or myself. So now is the time for you to pull that out. The first thing you guys are going to be doing today is this Giver pre-reading form. There are no right answers here. This is just your opinion. So this book is full of just things that make you think, okay? And there's lots of big ideas, lots of big topics and themes. And you are going to be reading these statements and you're going to say whether you think this statement is true or false. And this is just to get your brains working. There's no right or wrong answer here. And lots of times you want to say, well, I think both, but you have to pick one, okay? And then just be thinking about what makes you feel that way. All right, so that's your first step. Then anyone who's remote learning or at home today, you guys are going to earn your points, earn your credit for today by watching this Edpuzzle. It's longer. It has to be longer today, okay? So in it, I go over a little introduction to our book and give you some background information that you need. Then I read aloud chapter 1. If you guys have a copy of the book, I suggest that you get out your copy of the book, and instead of following along, I go over the PDF in the video. So instead of reading it on here, it's probably easier if you read it from your book, okay? So you'll follow along, and whenever I stop, I ask you some questions. Those questions are worth points. This is how you guys are going to be earning your points. The in-person people are doing this in person, and you are doing this via the Edpuzzle. So it is a little bit longer. I think the video is 30 minutes. There's questions. They are being taken for a grade. But follow along and you should be just fine. Today is a little bit longer, but tomorrow will be shorter, okay? And from here on out, it should be shorter. And that's it. So have a great Monday. Let us know if you have any questions. Adios.